How to turn off autoplay on Facebook. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to be guiding you through the steps on how you can turn off autoplay on Facebook. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, whenever you're using Wi-Fi, it's not much of an issue. But if you're using mobile data, you open up Facebook, you try to scroll through some feeds, but Facebook app is going to play the videos automatically and then actually just consume all of your data. You don't want this to be the case. Well, hopefully you can actually solve this problem. To get started, all you have to do is first of all launch the Facebook app. Then just tap the three lines icon located at the top right hand side of the screen. Then again tap the gear icon, which is the settings icon from the top right. Once you just come to the settings page of Facebook over here, scroll down and then here you'll find a section where it says media under language and region. So just tap the media option here. As you do that, if you look at the bottom or the center, you'll find a section that says autoplay. So by default, it is set to on mobile data and Wi-Fi, which means that even if your mobile data or your Wi-Fi are enabled, be it mobile data or Wi-Fi, your Facebook app is going to play the videos automatically. You have two more options if you look at the bottom. That is, if you want it to autoplay only on Wi-Fi, you can select on Wi-Fi only. Or if you want it to autoplay, and if you never want it to autoplay, then you can just select the option called never autoplay videos. That will just turn off the autoplay on Facebook and then actually help you reduce and then save your data usage. Or if you want, you can just set it to only Wi-Fi. This way, whenever you use mobile data, your Facebook app is going to determine that and then it's not going to consume your data as well. And that is it for today's video on how you can turn off autoplay on Facebook. We hope the video was helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.